No sooner had the exiles laid the foundation of the new temple than the local adversaries began to scheme. Rebuffed in their offer to help, the locals hired officials and sent discouraging, false reports to the Persian court, successfully obtaining a royal decree that officially halted the construction. The work ceased for many disheartening years. Then, the prophets Haggai and Zechariah rose, stirring the hearts of Governor Zerubbabel and the people. Ignoring the ban, they bravely resumed the work. When the local Persian governor Tatnai challenged them, the elders declared their right came from the God of heaven and earth and appealed directly to the new king Darius. Darius commanded a search, and the original decree of King Cyrus was found. Darius not only ordered the building to proceed but commanded the adversaries to fund the project. With this miraculous provision and protection, the temple was completed and dedicated with great joy. Today's takeaway: no earthly decree or human opposition can permanently thwart a work ordained by God, who sovereignly vindicates and provides for the faithful.
Prayer. Dear God, when opposition threatens the work you've called me to, fortify my spirit to build on in faith. Let me trust you to reveal truth and guide my path, transforming obstacles into stepping stones of your provision. Amen.
Subscribe.